everybody, it is the summer and a lot of people struggle with fruit flies in their kitchen. I don't think anybody can get away from that if they enjoy fruit. Anyway, it is the same for our kitchen right now, and I wanted to show you my little trick and my little remedy that you will have absolute success with. So here I am in my kitchen. I have a fruit fly problem, bananas on the counter. The three things that you are going to need, which are an absolute foolproof way to capture these really annoying fruit flies, is balsamic vinegar, a good dish soap, and I would recommend a see-through dish like this. You want to measure about 1 centimeter of balsamic vinegar in the bottom and just a drop or two, like a little dollop or like a very small squeeze. And the reason why is because you don't want to overpower the smell of the balsamic vinegar with the soap. But what that soap does is it prevents them from landing on the balsamic vinegar and being able to fly right off. So this is a thicker liquid and it creates a film on the surface of the vinegar, and when they land on it, they get stuck. So pour the vinegar in, 1 centimeter, put a dollop of this on, and with your finger or knife just stir it in, and then you want to put saran wrap over top of your dish just like this. I just made this trap 5 minutes ago. That's what it looks like. Nice and tight around the rim, and if you have a bowl this size, 3 holes will do. Now if you can see that, they are pen size holes like that, big enough for them to crawl through, but then they get stuck. They will crawl around on the surface on the inside, around and round and round, but as soon as they fly and they hit that bottom, they get sucked down into it. The soap acts like a glue to prevent them from flying again, and it's just an insatiable lure for them. That balsamic vinegar is what they are craving, and they are like flying around my kitchen wanting to go into the bowl. Go ahead, fly in. I guarantee that you will have success if you use this. You will see them start to fly around. They'll come right out of your drains, because that's where they like to lay their eggs, in a place where you cannot scrub and clean. So don't worry, it has nothing to do with hygiene in your kitchen. Fruit flies are a thing. This is a way to kick it. Hit that like and the comments if you have... No. Let's start over.
Is it still on?
Yeah. I'm still recording.
Guys. Oh man.
Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the like and the subscribe button if you have not done that already. It really does help. And ring that bell, because that will notify you when I put out a new video. Awesome day. Have a good. Oh.
You okay? Are you still okay?
Thank you so much for coming. Shug! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please hit the like and the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell. It just notifies you when I put out new videos. Have a wonderful day.